Alright, we're going to do a walk around of the 93 GMC Topkick pumper that I have for sale, MIDI. 3116 cat, Allison automatic, 4-speed transmission, Hale 750 GPM pump, 500 gallon poly tank, nice hose bed storage here on the back, accommodate 850 feet of 2.5 and 500 feet of 4-inch simultaneous. Got the chevron there on the back of it. Walk around the officer side. Comes with the ladders you see, 24 foot and 12 foot roofer. Working our way back around to the front side again. I'm going to pop inside the cab, fire it up for you. Okay, turn battery switch on. Key on. Here you go. AC, tranny, master switches, master on. Strobe lights on all the corners. Beacon ray above. Rear rotator. Rear strobes, and back around to the driver's side. Got an air ride seat. I'm going to go ahead and pop the cowl for the engine. Here's your cat engine, 6-cylinder turbo.